Temperature is measured using different scales, with Celsius C and Fahrenheit degrees Fahrenheit being the most common. For many, converting temperatures between these scales can be tricky due to the significant differences in their starting points and increments. However, an interesting fact emerges at -40 degrees. At this specific point, -40 degrees Celsius and -40 degrees Fahrenheit represent the exact same temperature. To understand why this happens, it's essential to look at how these two scales are structured. The Celsius scale, used predominantly in most parts of the world, sets the freezing point of water at 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point at 100 degrees Celsius. The Fahrenheit scale, commonly used in the United States, sets the freezing point of water at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the boiling point at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit is defined by the following formula. F equals C 9/5 plus 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals degrees Celsius times 9/5 plus 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals C 9/5 plus 30. This formula is used to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. However, there is a unique point where both scales intersect, -40 degrees. If you substitute -40 into the formula, you get F equals 409/5 plus 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals 40 times 9/5 plus 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals 40 times 9/5 plus 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals 70 to plus 32 equals 40 degrees Fahrenheit equals -70 to plus 32 equals -40 degrees Fahrenheit equals 70 to plus 32 equals 40. This calculation shows that -40 degrees Celsius equals -40 degrees Fahrenheit, a rare point of intersection between the two temperature scales. What makes this convergence particularly interesting is that it highlights the different starting points of the scales. Celsius is based on water's properties, while Fahrenheit was originally designed based on a combination of the freezing point of a saltwater mixture and the average body temperature of a healthy human. Despite their differences, at -40 degrees, these two scales align perfectly. This intersection is useful in many practical scenarios, especially in fields such as meteorology, science, and aviation, where temperatures in extreme conditions are often encountered. For example, in colder regions like Canada or Siberia, where temperatures can regularly drop to -40 degrees or lower. Understanding that -40 is the same in both Celsius and Fahrenheit helps streamline communication and data interpretation across different countries and systems.